Hey honeys, welcome back to Kip's World and thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl Nat here. So this is the highly requested video. You've been asking what oils I use to get our hair and scalp looking so healthy and nourished. Okay, so here you go guys. This is how I make my oils. Okay, as you can see, this is not ordinary oils. Okay, you can tell from the texture and the consistency that is super packed with so much goodness to get your hair looking healthy and nourished. Okay, now guys, to achieve that long healthy hair, okay, you need to start working towards a healthy nourished scalp, okay, which will promote new growth. Today I'm using organic fenugreek seed, organic amla powder, and organic moringa powder. Okay, I'm using all organic. Okay, all these are organic because I want to make sure my oil is very potent. Okay, I'm getting the best and it's very effective. I'm also using organic neem leaves. Okay, I've got some cloves here as well. For my oils, I'm using peppermint essential oils, and then I'm using extra virgin olive oil. Again, extra virgin, I recommend that because you want to get your oils to be brilliant. Okay, the best, very effective. I'm also using our almighty Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, so to start, you want to make sure you put you have very low heat. Okay, you put your pan on, heat your pan up on a very low heat because we don't want to lose the nutritious benefits from these herbs, okay, by too much heat, using too much heat. Okay, I put in 2 tablespoons of the fenugreek seeds, as you can see how fenugreek seed looks like, and then 1 tablespoon of the moringa seed. Look, moringa powder. Look at how beautiful the color is. Just beautiful olive green color, so beautiful. And I've got 1 tablespoon of the organic amla powder as well, also very beautiful looking. I just love natural things, guys. It gives you that like you're doing the right thing, you're using the right thing for your body, your hair. I've also got the cloves here, which is exactly 1 tablespoon, as you can see, and then I'm bringing in my neem leaves as well. Okay, and then yeah, now guys, there you go, I'm going to blend my fenugreek seed and then my cloves and then my neem leaves because I want to get it in this powder form. Okay, because guys, I want to get every single goodness from these herbs. I don't want to lose anything, and also it will help with the infusion process as well. Okay, so we're going to give it a good blend and then we're going to transfer it back into the pan with all the other herbs. Okay, and we're going to start stirring it without the oil. Now look at that, this is how it looks, this is how the powder looks, okay, after the blend. Okay, and then as I said, we're going to transfer it back into the pan. Okay, and we're going to start stirring it on very low heat. Remember, maybe just level 1. Okay, we're going to start stirring it without any oil. Now I got this from an old Indian tradition. They believe that if you do this, okay, before even putting the oil, you get all the goodness coming out, okay, of this of the herbs, okay, to get the best. Okay, and then now I'm going to put in my 250 ml, all haven't touched it, so it's completely 250 full ml. Okay, all of it into the pan, and then I'm going to bring my Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, normally I'll put about half of that bottle, as you see, for this 250 ml olive oil. Okay, and then I'll bring in my peppermint oil. Okay, now I'm using olive oil, okay, because in order to maintain my oil being in the liquid state, okay, in room temperature below minus 25 degrees. Okay, even because we're getting this winter and you want to make sure also olive oil actually is one of the oils that penetrate the hair, okay, rather than just sitting on your hair or coating the hair. Okay, so yeah, this is why I'm using olive oil. Then I've got in my peppermint oil as well. Okay, and then we're going to carry on, okay, just stirring it all together to just starting the infusion process. Okay, now guys, I'm going to talk about the benefits. If you haven't seen any of these herbs before, okay, don't worry, I'm going to talk about all the properties and all the benefits. Okay, look at that beautiful color, guys. Already it's looking so beautiful. So we're going to transfer everything into our glass jar. Okay, and Look at that color, guys. Yeah, we're going to transfer that now, guys. I'm going to talk about some of the properties, okay, and benefits. So I'm going to talk about amla. Amla has antifungal and antiviral properties which prevent dandruff and other fungal infections and improve scalp. Okay, now look at that, guys. Look at this color in there already. Now it doesn't take long to see the infused oil settle at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna cover it and give it a good shake. Okay, and this is where the magic begins. Okay, so guys, what I'm gonna do, guys, you won't believe, I'm gonna keep this oil, I'm going to store this oil for 3 days. Okay, for 3 days. Now you can imagine what will happen after 3 days. The infusion, okay, everything will be so infused, and the goodness, the potency, you can imagine. So normally I even store it for 2 weeks, you know, and you can imagine what will happen after 2 weeks. But I haven't got any oils at the moment, so I'm not going to do, I'm just doing it for 3 days. Okay, and this is how it is after 3 days. You can see all the oils settle in layers. Now that's not solid there much. You just need to give it a good shake, and that's it. And then we're going to bring in our usual cheesecloth tight and just drain out this beautiful oil. Okay, so I was talking about amla powder provides shine to your hair, nourishes your scalp, has high content of keratin, fatty acids, rich in vitamin C. In fact, amla has 20 times more vitamin C per gram than oranges do. Okay, and it increases, you know, your curl definition as well. Okay, moringa has vitamin A, B, C, E, iron, zinc, omega-3, promotes hair growth, prevents hair loss, promotes health, you know, healthy hair follicles, and nourishes the hair strands and thicken your hair strands. Okay, now fenugreek, guys, had vitamin K, A, B, and C. Okay, and folic acid has anti-inflammatory properties. It prevents shedding and adds softness and shine to your hair, strengthens your hair, and prevents hair loss. Okay, so you can see, guys, we're putting everything in our applicator bottle, because I'm going to quickly show you how I use it on the hair. Now I'm going to make a video on how to oil your scalp and massage your scalp, but I'm just going to give you a quick show of how I demonstration of how I use it, just that, please. Okay, I'm also going to talk about neem leaves. Okay, now neem leaves has antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It nourishes your scalp and hair, reduces hair loss, makes hair thick and shiny, helps to fight dandruff and promote hair growth. Okay, also we're going to talk about peppermint oil. It stimulates hair growth. It normalizes the oil production in your scalp and solves dry scalp problems, strengthens your hair. Okay, we have olive oil, which strengthens the hair by penetrating the hair and preserving moisture. It nourishes and conditions your hair. It soothes the scalp and reduces breakage. Okay, and then we have cloves. Cloves prevent hair fall, enriches scalp health. Okay, add shine and stimulate hair growth. Okay, it has vitamin A and C, it has calcium, and it has iron in there. And then we talk about castor oil, which has, you know, which adds moisture. Okay, it seals in moisture, strengthens your hair, and also softens your hair as well, thickens the hair. Okay, prevents breakage, dandruff, eczema, dry itchy scalp, rich in omega-9 fatty acids, and nourishes the scalp, prevents your hair drying out because it locks in your moisture, promotes hair, and it promotes hair growth, and it makes your hair thicker as well. So guys, you can see I've just applied it and I'm giving her a good nice massage, which she was enjoying. Okay, so guys, this is how I make my oil. This is how we use the oil. Look at that beautiful hair. This is how we have achieved this hair growth. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and you know I love you guys so much. Thank you for all our returning subscribers, our new subscribers. This girl Nad here loves you, and you know that. Thank you for all the support. Have a lovely day. Look up to yourself. Okay, and we will see you in our next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share for us. Okay, take care. God bless. Bye bye.